Okay. Is it on the? Is it near you right now? Or is it far away from you? Sort of?
Not on my side. It's.
Oh fuck! I got inside.
Yeah, it's over here.
Soldier, you gotta put some rounds down range like this, bro. Oh shit! This is no ammo, sorry. Let's get up onto my post again. It's smoking, this is good. Don't make more than, make about 20 mate, that's what we need. Put them in the bandage chest, you know which one that is. This tower's fucked. Jesus. I hit him like 5 times again.
I'm
just going by the moral.
Oh my fucking god, I just fell off the ladder.